This YouTuber showed to us how you can make at home a homemade AC or air conditioner. And take a look, the copper pipes are frozen and this is working. Okay, this guy is showing to us how you can make a AC air conditioner or smart air conditioner at home, mini powerful AC. The video have 20,000 likes and 1.2 million views, and it's uploaded in December 2023. And what you think, guys? Is this possible? What you need to make this mini air conditioner at home? Let's find out. Okay, he's working with the copper pipes. He's using a small DC motor as a fan. Okay, and also he is using, here it is, this is a small air pump that will make a compression for the copper pipes. Alright, and right now he is filling the copper pipes and with butane gas from a lighter that will act like a freezing air. Okay, and here it is, the whole machine made out of one small DC motor fan that will blow cool air and small air pump to circulate that butane gas into the copper pipes. And that is the way that he made the mini air conditioner. Is this true or fake? I'm gonna prove it right now. Just take a look right here. The frame is also frozen. Beside the copper pipes that are frozen, the box, the wires here are frozen too. How it's possible the wires to be frozen if the copper wires are those who are frozen? I think that this guy take the whole machine, place it into the freezer, leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes, get it out, and then when the fan is blowing hot air into the pipes that are cooled, you will get those snowflakes or freezed copper pipes. And now I'm gonna prove it with my experiment. Here I have a frozen copper pipe, fill it with water inside, and this is the fan. And just look what happens when the hot air or room temperature air hits the copper frozen pipe. Take a look. After a while, when you blow hot air or room temperature air on the pipe, frozen pipe, the pipe get frozen. It's completely frozen, frost on the copper pipe. This is another version from the same guy making a homemade mini air conditioner, and here it is, the fan, the DC motor with fan blades, and now he is showing to us that the copper pipes are frozen from the process of air compressed air with that small air pump, fill it with butane. This is completely fake. Don't watch this kind of videos. And on YouTube, after one video like this one that blew up with 1.2 million views, everybody is making the same kind of mini air conditioners that you can make at home using a small air pump, one small DC fan, and using a lighter gas. Take a look, all videos are published very soon. This is 1 month ago, 3 weeks ago, a bunch of them. How to make AC Extreme upgrade. Take a look, this one. What? This is even better. So to be clear, this kind of mini powerful air conditioners are not working, they are fake, they are made just for views, and believe me, you can make a homemade air conditioner out of that small air pump, that small DC fan motor, and couple of copper pipes. What do you think? Comment below. And that will be all for today fake video. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and give a like to my video. See ya!